Wow!
What time is it? It's Coco Art Time!
Yes, okay. Nico, later pa, we have to paint first. What color would you like your robot be? You like it to be blue? You like it to be yellow? Blue? Okay, you can get your paint now. You start with the head. Okay, no problem. You say hello to Gaius. Jack, say hi, Gaius. Aidan, say hi, Gaius. That's Jack and Aidan. Limited edition.
I will build a soldier. And this to a soldier.
Sure. You can make a robot soldier using the stickers also.
So what? I'm making the bad.
You're making the body. Teacher Coco's hand, it's too much paint, oh. Messy and fun. Messy and fun. Jed, you have to paint your rocks white. White lang. I like color your rocks white.
I only remember Lisa. Because you're my favorite, that's why.
Wow naman! You're my favorite naman! Grabe! Okay, wait lang Gaius sa Aidan and Jed. You get na your stickers. Okay, let's start sticking those stickers on your robot. Come on. Is this fun? Aidan, Jed, is this fun? It's fun, Gaius. I'm glad you like it. Wow, ganda! It's so real. Yay! 20! Gaius, look at me. I just scream. Goodbye and thank you. I'll see you again on, say, Wednesday.